Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy salmon croquettes just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few things that you'll need for this salmon croquettes recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. You could use fresh salmon for this recipe if you're all bougie and stuff like that. But today we're keeping it quick and simple with the canned salmon, okay? Now that I chopped up my onions and multicolored bell peppers in a pan on medium heat, I'm going to add a little butter and add the onions and bell peppers and let them saute for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. Canned salmon does have bones, but they're very soft and delicate, which makes them pretty edible, but I still like to remove them just like so. But if you happen to miss a few, it's okay. The salmon also has this slimy skin on it, which I also remove because I don't like it. But if you happen to like slimy salmon skin, leave it right there, boo. Please excuse my video quality. I wasn't at home when I made this video. I was back in New York visiting my aunt. So I'm missing the clip of me seasoning the salmon, but I'll put up on the screen what I added. We're also going to add 1 egg. Then after I add in the egg, then I'm going to add in those veggies that I sauteed earlier. Now my secret ingredient that I'm only going to share with you, make sure you don't tell nobody, is stovetop stuffing. I use this as my binder, and I just find that it makes the salmon croquettes super yummy. But if you don't have it, just use some old regular breadcrumbs and it'll still be good. I'm also going to add some parsley paste. I didn't have any fresh, so I'm going with the paste. And then the next thing I'm going to add is a little mayo to keep everything nice and moist.
You know you like your cakes moist. Stop playing.
Once everything is nice and mixed up, then you can give it a taste. Make sure you don't need to adjust the seasonings or anything. I know it has egg in it. Shut your face. A little egg ain't gonna hurt you, silly. You can shape the salmon patties in any shape that you prefer. I like to do the oval shape ones. And then before frying them, I'm just gonna coat them with a light dusting of flour just to hold everything together and let them brown nicely. I'm gonna shake off the excess flour because like I said, we don't want a heavy coating here. Now you wanna let the salmon croquettes sit for about 10 to 15 minutes just so that they can set and won't fall apart when you fry them. Now I have my cast iron pan on high heat and I'm just gonna let the salmon croquettes brown up. You wanna let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes per side or until they are nice and golden brown. And then after that, they're done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. These salmon croquettes came out so yummy. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Subscribe. It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.